Before we start, I'm dedicating this episode to Joan Manikis. Joan is a new driver and she's gonna need all the help that she can get, so we're adding basic car maintenance to our channel, including replacing a dead battery. So Joan, are you ready? Okay, starting the Lexus. Huh. I guess the battery's dead. Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. In this episode, we will be replacing the dead battery on this 2002 Lexus RX300. The OEM battery type for this vehicle is 24M. Now, as much as you can, try to buy the OEM battery type so you can maximize the efficiency of your vehicle. The first thing that you need to do is remove the negative or the ground of the vehicle. This is a 10mm nut, so use a 10mm socket or wrench to remove it. Remember, to remove a nut, it always has to go counterclockwise. Once it's loosened, just take it off. Next, do the same thing with a positive cable. This is also a 10mm knot. Once loosened, just pull it off. Now remove the bracket on the battery. This one is a 10mm bolt. Again, to remove it, go counterclockwise. This one is loose because I guess the previous mechanic didn't tighten it up well. Once you take out the bolt, remove the bracket. Now with all your might and strength, pull out the battery. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the two batteries. Now, even though they have the same OEM battery type, 24F, one is a bit taller than the other one. Now, Joan, since you have the battery out, might as well clean the area. That way, when you put the new battery in, it is clean. Now let's put in the new battery.
Oh no!
So as you can see, I almost made a mistake. Joan, don't do this. Red is for the positive cable. I aligned it with the negative terminal of the battery, so that is wrong. So twist it around. So align the cables with the correct terminals. Red cable or red cover is for the positive terminal, and black cable or black cover is for the negative terminal or ground. I'm gonna say I did that on purpose for this lesson. Now let's put in the bracket to prevent it from moving. Now let's put in the battery cables. Make sure you start with the positive cable first. Slide it in, then tighten the 10mm nut. To tighten, turn it clockwise. Doesn't have to be super tight, but just snug. Now put the positive cable battery cover on. Now put the negative or ground cable. That's tight enough. Now let's start the car. Yay, it started!
Yes! Yes!
5 more cars to go. And that is how to replace a dead battery on this 2002 Lexus RX300. Joan, I hope you learned something new today. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's RJeff, and thank you for watching. This is heavy! My goodness!